Creating wall art using the shower curtain method. Hello guys, welcome back to Inspire to DIY. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I was able to make some amazing canvas wall art using the shower curtain method. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. The first item I'll use is canvas. I have the size 16 by 20 and I have two of them, so I started by laying them down. And the next item I will use is a shower curtain. I love this design, but ever down the line you will see how I was able to transform it into a beautiful wall art. To begin the process, I then started cutting the shower curtain into the size of the canvases. Once I had the size I needed for the canvas, I then took a iron and start ironing the shower curtain to remove the lines. The next item we will make a good use of is the staple gun that I'll use to staple the shower curtain onto the back of the canvas. This process is really easy and simple to do. Simply cut your shower curtain to size and use your iron to iron the shower curtain. Use the staple gun to staple everything around the canvas. I stapled the shower curtain around the canvas until I felt like it was really secure and stretched. I then repeated that same step for the second canvas, cutting to size my shower curtain and iron it, then use the staple gun to staple the shower curtain onto the back of the canvas. I found this technique to be really outstanding because you can simply use shower curtain to make beautiful wall canvas art, and the best part about it is there are so many different patterns and design that you can find when you're searching for a shower curtain, and you can go ahead and use that to turn it into wall art. Once again, I made sure the shower curtain was well secured around the canvas, and later on I'll go ahead and use glitter. I will be using the gold and black glitter to go ahead and add my personal touch to the marble effect of the shower curtain. To start that process, I'll be using Mod Podge and a small brush. I went on and brushed up some Mod Podge to where I would like to add my glitter and sprinkle the glitter. I use the line as guidance to where I'll go ahead and add the glitter, so just simply brush up the Mod Podge and add the glitter. I have already used such technique in the past by simply using shower curtain, canvas and glitter to create a beautiful wall art. The link to that video will be found in the description box below. That same step was then repeated onto the second canvas. And voila, such a beautiful transformation. I am loving how this project turned out, and looking at it you will not be able to tell the step that I took to create this beautiful design. I created a total of 4 canvases and I am in love on how each one of them have a different design. I hope you guys enjoyed this project and willing to try this method. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.